A perfect smile should beautify and rejuvenate the entire face and appearance of the patient, boosting his confidence and charisma and consequently improving the quality of life. In this era of before and afters and amplifying beauty, a perfect smile should first of all make the patient happy. And I practice dentistry since 2003, so more than 18 years. During this time, the method that I have developed is just pure, honest, passionate and experience-based dentistry. The amazing tools that we have, from 3D scanners, smile design, 3D printing and talented technicians crafting our ceramic restorations. But the secret is to be able to put all this together in a treatment plan that will not compromise the health of the teeth in exchange of beauty. I am passionate about videography and photography, and I am using these skills extensively to document all my cases in my daily work and produce informative content for my patients. A healthy and beautiful smile is more likely able to brighten your career prospects. A bright smile gets you perceived as a smarter, successful, happier and more trusting person. There is so much more than the highly promoted Hollywood smile. We are able to achieve amazing aesthetic results, but any aesthetic procedure should be carried out together with assessing all the medical problems. If you have healthy teeth and a beautiful smile, you'll be more confident about your worth, and this is also important in your social and love life. I'm Dr. Calin and I welcome you to Micris Dental Clinic.